Hello. So in these first few videos, I'm going to walk you through a couple of different options that you have to get Python up and running on your computers. The first involves no installation of software whatsoever and can be completely done just inside of a web browser. So if we go to Google and we go to REPL, repl.it. This is a great online compiler that I've used in the past. And so it will prompt you to maybe create an account if you don't have one. You just need a valid email address. I have my account already logged in right here. And so upon logging in, we're prompted with a little welcome message. Let's get started. It looks like I primarily code in Python, Java, and Bash. So I can click right here to start a new REPL. And I can click any language that I would like. The language that I'm going to work with is Python, so it's right here. I'll give it a name. I'll just call it test REPL, and I am going to create it. Once I do that, it brings me to, let me close that. It brings me to a nice window here where I can type in some of my code. So I can type in things like print hello world, and if I click run, the output is then directed right to the bottom of the screen. And so I can type a variety of code here. I'll say print this is awesome. I'll say name equals input. What is your name? And then I'll print hello name. Oh, that's funny. I'll print hello name like this. Don't worry, we'll figure it all out. And so I'm getting all of the output values here. Hello world, this is awesome. What is your name? I'll say my name is Mike, and then it says hello Mike. So REPL is a wonderful, wonderful alternative in case you don't have the ability to install software to your computer. Maybe you're using a Chromebook to try to do some learning. So creating a REPL account is wonderful. And so now let's see, if I go home here and I back out of that REPL, I can click My REPLs, and it will save all code that we previously have written. So you can see here's a bunch of things that I've done, previously in my REPL account. But then here is my test REPL, and so if I click it, it looks like it loads it right back up in the state that it was. So it auto saves it for us. So again, a great tool for us to use if we don't want to install Python 3 directly to our machines.